kẹ̀tíkẹ̀tí ni wọ́n ń yà lọ síbẹ̀ sínú ọjà káràmánì. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ń gbé àgbò tí wọ́n ń gbé ńlá nínú àwọn màlúù. Iléeṣẹ́ Adron Homes náà ló ti ṣe fáwọn alábárà ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i. Báwo wá ní ìrìn àjò ọ̀hún níbi tí àwọn ti ń ra ilẹ̀ tí wọ́n sì ń gba ńlá nínú ẹran ọdún iléyá. Ẹnu oníkan náà ni èyí ló ń táwọn èèyàn sọ nípa iléeṣẹ́ alára àgbàyídá.
Understanding that even getting it now, I still have assets. You just save me money. And they are help. The true reality is they're just helping me to do my Iléyá, and I say I get what value for my money and the gifts that it's also worthwhile to celebrate the festive season.
You guys are amazing. We benefited from this and we got our ram today. So yeah, I know if your Iléyá is not sweet this year, it can be sweet next year or another time if you patronize Adron Homes, and they are really trusted. So you don't need to worry whether you're in Nigeria or anywhere. Yes, they are really good. So thank you very much, Adron Homes. You all become a landowner today.
I want to say a very big thank you to Adron Homes. I want to say keep up the good work and always kind of fulfilling what you have told people. Keep it up.
Thank you very much, sir.
Well, I'm really grateful Adron Homes are being trusted and reliable. I'm urging everyone to patronize them because there are lots, aside from the reliable homes and the properties you get from them. At least you have look at 3 big grams. At least you know how much this is going to cost this season. So at least this is something. There's bags of rice, there's granite. Just patronize Adron Homes, and believe me, you won't regret it.
It's been a wonderful day here at Kara Market. We've been here literally all day. Clients are trooping in their mass to pick up their rams and cows to have an amazing Iléyá. As promised by Adron Homes, we delivered on time and the clients are happy. Adron is the best. We have been doing it. We'll continue to do it. Action.
Adron Homes.
Building cities, communities.